What we are saying that Mungu atukumbuke pia, we need a more bigger one than that one. Yes. Now, usiniambia ati hata wewe utakufa. Me, I can die even today. But is my death important to Kenyans? Kuna kifo yenye inaweza saidia wa Kenya, yangu haiwezi. Kuna kifo ingine inaweza saidia wa Kenya? Ukiniambia ati hata wewe kiperengu utakufa, yes, I can die even today. But kifo yangu itasaidia wa Kenya? Yangu ni useless. But kukiwa na kifo moja kubwa, it can help Kenyans. It can help Kenyans. Yes. So, yes, that is true. Unajua you people, you like sugarcoating, kuongea. Me, I don't know how to sugarcoat. Mimi naongeanga mambo waziwazi. I say things as they are. And I want to say that Dr. William Samoei Ruto, as I finish, has messed our country. This country has collapsed. You can see in the finance bill that is being prepared, there is a computer error of 73 billion. Imefichwa hapo ndani. Ama mjaona? 73 billion imefichwa ndani ambayo haijulikani itafanya nini. Yes, finance bill ambayo inakuwa prepared sahi. Na we are tired of ribbon cutting ceremonies in this country. We are tired. We want to move to action. We are tired of ribbon cutting ceremonies. Tunataka action. And what we want, because we know Ruto will not deliver anything before 2027. He won't deliver anything. And I'm trying to persuade those who are expecting something from Ruto before 2027. I'm trying to persuade them and to cancel them and to convince them that Ruto will not deliver anything before 2027. Na kila kitu ambayo sisi tumekuwa tukichallenge, we have succeeded. There is nothing we have failed. Tulichallenge finance bill, we succeeded. Tulichallenge Adani, we succeeded. Tulichallenge new university funding model, we succeeded. Tulichallenge SHA, we are succeeding.